Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive crypto on your TREZOR Safe free. Receiving crypto is pretty easy. All you need to do is go to the Trezor Suite. In the app, select the type of crypto you want to receive. I'm gonna be receiving Solana. Now click on receive, and actually I wanted to go to that account, my Ledger account here, and now I'd like to click on receive here at the top. Yes, and now I'm gonna click on show full address. And I'll need to enter the PIN on the device first. I've entered it wrong. Let's try again. That digit, okay, and now I can approve it. So let's wait until it verifies the PIN. It's done. And now you have the full address on the device as well as on your computer, and you have the QR code. It's worth verifying that on the computer and on the device there is the same address being shown, and I'll just transfer it from myself, but of course feel free to just give the QR code to a person that's supposed to send the money to you, or copy the address and send it to them. Now I'll just go to the app that I want to send it from, as I said, from myself. Then I'll go to send crypto and I'll scan the QR code. Now I will select Solana and I'll transfer whatever is the minimum, so it's like 1,000 of Solana. So let's preview it, and I'll just go through like the stuff that I need to go through, and then I'll click on send now. Okay, now it's sent, so it should appear shortly in my account. So now I'm gonna confirm it on the Trezor, and if I go back, then I don't know if I need to refresh it or just wait, because I've been mainly using just that. Yeah, so it appears, just I don't have to refresh it. Just appears in my portfolio that my balance is now higher, as you can see right here. And I hope that this video was helpful. There also is a video on sending, and see you in the next one.